Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most fascinating and haunting questions humanity has ever asked. What if aliens reply to the Voyager message? In 1977, NASA launched two golden travelers, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, each carrying a message from Earth. A golden record, engraved with sounds and images meant to represent the story of our world. Greetings in 55 languages. Music from Beethoven to tribal songs. The laughter of a baby. The sound of the ocean. The hum of the wind. A time capsule of who we are. Floating endlessly through the stars. At the time, no one knew if anyone or anything would ever find it. Voyager was meant to explore our solar system. But beyond that, it became something far greater. Humanity's first haloto de cosmos. But imagine, after decades of silence, one night a strange signal reaches Earth. Faint, rhythmic, and familiar. It matches the frequency and pattern of Voyager's original transmission. The world stops. Scientists across continents rush to decode it. It's not random static. It's structured. A message. A reply. Maybe it begins with the same greeting we sent. Hello, from the children of planet Earth. Only this time, it's not our voice. What would that mean for humanity? For religion, politics, science, everything? Suddenly, every satellite, every radio telescope on Earth would turn toward the stars, searching for the source. The signal might be thousands of light years away, meaning whoever sent it received Voyager's message long ago, decoded it, and chose to answer. But here as the twist, Voyager 1 is now more than 15 billion miles from Earth, traveling through interstellar space, beyond the reach of our sun's gravity. It's the farthest human-made object ever sent. It still sends weak signals back to NASA as Deep Space Network, but those signals take more than 22 hours to reach us. If a reply came from beyond that distance, it would mean that another civilization not only heard us, but understood us. Think about it. In the vast silence of space, where light itself takes centuries to travel, someone listen it. Listen it. The golden record wasn't just sound, it included images too. Pictures of humans, animals, cities, DNA structures, and even mathematical equations. Meant to explain our world. We assumed math would be the universal language. But what if they don't think like us? What if their concept of time, sound, and even meaning is beyond our comprehension? Would their reply even make sense to us, or would it be a puzzle waiting to be solved? Scientists believe any alien civilization advanced enough to detect and reply to Voyager would likely be millions of years ahead in technology. They could send data through quantum signals, light pulses, or methods we can't yet imagine. Their message might contain coordinates, or perhaps just a sound. A pattern designed to see if we can respond intelligently. It might not even be friendly. Some experts, like Stephen Hawking, once warned that reaching out to unknown civilizations could be dangerous. Announcing our existence could attract beings far beyond our control. But others believe it's worth the risk. That connection is the essence of intelligence, and silence is the real danger. Imagine the scene if that signal reached Earth world leaders gathering, scientists decoding, religions reacting, social media exploding with theories. Maybe the message would say, "We heard you." Maybe it would contain a map, leading to a place near a distant star. Or maybe, just maybe, it would say, "You are not alone." How would humanity respond? Would nations unite for the first time in history? Or would fear divide us even more? Perhaps that reply could remind us how fragile and connected we already are. Voyager's message wasn't meant for aliens alone. It was a message for ourselves. A reminder of what it means to be human. As Carl Sagan said, the spacecraft will be encountered and the record played only if there are advanced spacefaring civilizations in interstellar space. But the launching of this bottle into the cosmic ocean says something very hopeful about life on this planet. Even if no one ever replies, Voyager's journey still matters. It's proof that we dare to dream beyond our world. It carries our voices, our music, our hopes, drifting among the stars like a spark of consciousness. But imagine, one day, long after we're gone, something opens that golden record. They hear our heartbeat, our laughter, our stormy seas, and somewhere, Light years away, a being looks up at their own sky and whispers, "We are not alone." Maybe that's how contact begins, not with invasion, but with understanding. And maybe that understanding has already started. So, what do you think? If aliens really replied to Voyager, would we be ready to listen? Or would we be too afraid of the answer? Tell me in the comments. And if you love exploring mysteries like this, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and join me again as we uncover the next great secret of the cosmos.